Tell me again, where from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
Okay, I'm also fine by the grace of Mighty Allah. So, are you Christian or Muslim?
Sorry?
Are you Christian or Muslim and others?
I'm Christian.
Christian, yes, I got it. I know that.
Yeah.
I'm Muslim. So, what do you do right now?
Hmm?
So, what do you do?
I'm just working.
Oh, okay. What?
Ay, actually, kaya yung...
So, how
Samahan
you?
niyo ako dito. Talo ka sa...
Please,
Talo kasi ako sa sugal eh.
please tell me English. I don't
Kaya
know.
nag-live na lang ako.
I don't know your mother tongue.
Oh,
Please.
sorry. I was talking... Sugal pa mo eh.
Okay.
Sorry. I was talking to my colleagues.
So, okay. So,
Hindi
how
ko pala
happy?
yun.
So, how about you?
Hmm? Sorry?
How about you? How about you? How are you? It's me. Can you follow me?
Sorry?
Can you follow me? I will follow back you. No
Are
problem.
you...
I'm following you.
Sorry. Who are you talking to? Me or the number two?
I'm talking with
Who
Tina.
are...
Why with Teen? I'm talking with you.
Me?
Please follow me.
Yes?
I'm following you.
How can I...
Yeah.
Oh, sure. I'll follow you back later. Yeah.
Okay. Of course. I will call you again. Time. No
Sure. Hello.
problem. So everyone, don't make again noise.
Oh,
Talk to it. Me.
sorry, how old are you? The one.
16. 16.
I'm 12
Or
years old.
6 years old.
Oh, you're still young.
Yes. Yes.
You're still young.
Yes. I am so very young. So I was born in 2007.
So why are you here in Vigo? What are you doing? You're not supposed to be here. You should be
Because
like 18 years
I
old about.
why do come big or like your question? So
So where are you from, if you don't mind?
I'm making a video on YouTube or
Where
Facebook
you...
page.
So